Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to add a video to your website in Webflow. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see right here, we can see all of the websites that we have in Webflow that we have created, and here we have the button to go ahead and create a new website if we want. But for today's video, guys, I'm going to go ahead and be using this website right here that I have created called YouTube Tutorials. So guys, let's go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here, click on Open Designer, and as you can see here, guys, now this will open up the website in the page. So, as you can see, when opening the website in designer mode, you will be greeted by the left side of the screen where you can see all of the options and features that you can use for managing and editing your website. And on the right side of the screen, you can see all the options that you can use for styling your website and your pages, such as the style option right here. You have your element settings and so on. So guys, we're going to go ahead and look at the left side of the screen. As you can see, we have multiple options, such as we have here the option to add elements, we have the option to see components, the settings option, and so on. So to be able to add a video, what we have to do is go ahead and click on the plus button right here that appears called Add Elements. Go ahead, guys, and click on Add Elements. And after clicking on Add Elements, guys, now you can see this will now open up this new drop-down menu with multiple options that you can add. And you can see that some of them are section, grid, and so on. What we want to do, guys, go ahead and scroll down all the way down until we find the option called Media. Under Media, guys, you'll see multiple options such as image, video, YouTube, and so on. So you can choose to either upload a video from your computer or to upload a video from YouTube. So after you have chosen which one you want to use, you can go ahead and click on the option. As you can see, if we click on video, it will now add a video right here into our site where we can enter our video. So we can enter the URL of the video right here and the title of the video right here. After entering the title and the URL, guys, you can go ahead and click upload. That will appear right here after you have entered the URL and title, and this will successfully upload the video to your site and will enable anybody that visits the site to use it and see it. So guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.